Contrasting climates on display this weekend as the desert-dwelling Diamondbacks slither up to Seattle, home to the wet weather Mariners. But with both ball clubs submerged below the 500 mark, the conditions are not the only concern. M's grilled up the D-backs in the series opener 4-3 Friday. Top 1, Game 2, Mark Reynolds pops it up. Rob Johnson circling, calls fair catch, eventually hauls it in. Justin Upton going to try and tag from first, but Johnson's throw scoots on into the outfield. Felipe Lopez scores. D-backs have their first run. It's 1-0. Still 1-0 in the third for Ichiro. Doing what he does. Base hit, scores Yuniesky Betancourt. We're tied at 1. Meanwhile, Seattle starter Jason Vargas, he had his Wheaties in the morning. Since that little pop-up incident, he just puts up bagels. He got Mark Reynolds on strikes. In the bottom half, he gets his first lead. Vladimir Valentin, second on the season, M's up 2-1, and we go back to Vargas. Top 5, Eric Burns down on strikes. In the 6th, Stephen Drew flies out to center. At one point, Vargas retires 17 straight D-backs until this right here, top 7, Upton. His 13th on the year. We are tied at 2. Bottom half, though, Mariners create some excitement. They chase starter Billy Buckner, and with a run already in, care of the sac fly, here's another. Gutierrez into center. This will score Russell Branyan. Mariners up 4-2. Bottom 8, still 4-2. Yuniesky Betancourt gives it a ride. How about Chris Woodward and Rob Johnson? Johnson darn near laps him. The Mariners go up 6-2. They take a 7-2 lead into the 9th when things get tricky with one run already in. Valentin's in left. He says, that's it. I've had enough. Let's go home. Into foul territory, into the crowd. Snags it for the third and final out. Great way to end the game. Mariners win at 7-3. Vargas working on short rest but unhittable at points en route to his third win. Ichiro 3 for 5. Valentin 2 hits, an RBI, a run scored, plus that lights out catch to end the ball game.